Okay guys, found another cool tool that you might like to check out. It's called Brisk Teaching. It's a Chrome extension. I can send that to you if you're interested, but welcome to Brisk Teaching. You can see that in this little guy up in the right corner. This is the magic maker. Once you have that installed, you can make Google Form quizzes super easy and a lot of other things. Like Magic School. They say it's all free. 20 of them are free, and then the other 10 are not. I'm not sure which other 10. But this inspector writing one looks pretty interesting. Um, it's a replay of how kids put in their text. But I want to show you the Google Form ones because I'm all about making my life easier. So this is the CK12, my online textbook. I don't know. It does PDFs, it does websites, it does slides and presentations also. But this is how I would have used it if I'm still teaching anatomy. So I open up my textbook, and then there's this little guy right here, this Brisk Extension button down the bottom right corner. You click on that, and I just want to say Popular Tools Quiz. You can go create and quiz, but boy, it's one click. Quiz English, create a quiz about this web page. 9th grade, multiple choice. You can do short response, long, but it's only one, or you can do as many questions as you want. I'll just do 15 this time. I don't know what the personalized to my learners is, but click next. And then brisket. Who doesn't love brisket? And very quickly, even more quickly than like the Magic School and Question Well, it creates the Google form. And of course, it's going slower now than it did before, but it's going to start generating the questions and the answers. And so far with the 2 quizzes I've made, all of the answers have been correct. Alright, so there, it's done. Now to see those are the questions. You click on it and you can see here's the answers. Largest, yep, skin. You always got to check them over. Primary tissue in the heart. Oh, yep, it's a muscle tissue, but specifically cardiac tissue. So I could change it if I wanted to. Good. So I would just go through all that and I would move it to where I want to move it because they just put it randomly in your drive. And that's that. Super easy. Hope it works for you, or if you're interested and want to learn about it, let me know.